Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I am actually doing a juice detox, juice cleanse. So I just picked up my juices a while ago. I'm going to show you guys where I got it from. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, like if you enjoyed it, and you guys are going to be on this journey with me. So stay tuned. I'm back home, so I'm just gonna unbag the items. They come in this brown bag, and then they're all sectioned out in bags. So she actually told me that I should put them in the freezer until I'm ready to actually drink them. I guess the day that I'm gonna drink them, I should defrost them. So the day that I should drink them, I should defrost them. So these are all the juices. There are 9 juices, and then I did get a ginger shot right here, and it comes with a little card on it, you know, thank you card, and it basically lists out all the different things and gives you some tips on doing your cleanse. So guys, I'm gonna put my juices in the freezer. The young lady at the store recommended that they be kept in the freezer and only defrosted on the day that you want to drink them. So since I'm starting the cleanse tomorrow, I'm gonna put them in the freezer and just take out the ones that I need on the day. So I'll be drinking 3 each day. Hopefully I can manage and make it. So I'll only be taking out 3 to defrost each day. So I'm gonna pack them away now, and then tomorrow I will check in back with you guys and let you guys know how I'm feeling, how it tastes, and all of that. I also think I'm going to weigh myself just to see if there's like any difference in my weight. It does say that it does help with, like, I'm gonna tell you guys the benefits of what it does. Good morning guys, this is day 1. I went ahead and weighed myself this morning. I took out my juice to defrost. It is currently 9:28 a.m. They did say that I should drink the green ones in the morning. This one is Green Escape. They do put the name on the cap, and this one has kale, cucumber, callaloo, apple, banana. So I'm gonna try it now and see how it tastes. Wish me luck, people. This one is actually really nice. This is really nice. I'm not a very big green juice person. Also, I'm not a breakfast person, so I usually do not eat breakfast, but they did say that I should drink the green ones in the morning. So I'm trying to do that. I usually intermittent fast in the morning, so I usually eat my first meal after 12, but I want 2, 3 depending on the work day go. So I'm just gonna continue sipping this as I work throughout the day, and then I'll check in with you when I'm gonna have my second drink for the day. So I'm almost finished with my drink. The first drink on day 1. They did give me a ginger shot. I don't know what the ginger shot is for, but them say you must take it in the morning, so I'm gonna take it now. I have my water right in front of me just in case, like, I need to get some water. So here we go with the ginger shot. Oh, it's not taste good, people. Oh, not nice, people, not nice. Thank God I had my water here. Ugh. But I guess, you know, one tastes good, one don't taste no good. So I guess, I mean, still a 50-50, and it was just one little shot. Drank it all off. So that's it. They also recommend that you guys stay hydrated throughout the day. And so I have my water bottle here, as you guys just saw. And I'm just going to be chugging this the entire day. I usually do drink a lot of water anyway. So I'm just going to continue drinking. And yeah, I will check back in with you guys when I'm on my second drink. I don't know what time I'll drink the second drink, but we'll see. Maybe when I get hungry again, I'll drink the second drink, which is supposed to be like a more filling drink. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, I'm back to do my second juice of the day. It's now 12:53. Actually, I'm going to do the one that's called Splendid Blended. In that one, it has melon, pineapple, strawberry and banana, so I'm thinking that this will taste very good. I wanted to wait until 1 o'clock to actually drink this sponge because I had my first one after 9, I believe, but I took it out and it was kind of melted already, so I didn't want it to like get warm or anything. So I'm gonna have it now. They do recommend that you shake well, so I'm gonna have the Splendid Blended now. I'm very hopeful about this one. I'm feeling very positive. That one is nice. This is so nice. It's actually really sweet. So good. I'm gonna finish this one in no time. It's my lunchtime now, so I'm just gonna go and sip this until lunchtime, and then whenever I decide to drink the third one, I will come back on and report to you guys. This is the third and final drink of the day. It is now 5:52, so it's almost 6 o'clock. And honestly, may I get the munchies right now. May I think about any kind of food, like I feel hungry. I've like gone to the bathroom like so many times, as in not number 2 but number 1, like so many times for the day. But this is my last drink, and it's a tropical. It has orange, kale, pineapple and banana. Hoping this one tastes good as well, and hoping I can make it through the night, like, you know, no food for one entire day. And I think I'm gonna be going to my bed very early tonight, just because I don't want to stay up and be tempted to be drinking nothing. So let's try the tropical. Nice. What is that I'm tasting? Something there tastes really nice. I don't know if it's the pineapple, the mixture of the pineapple and the banana. But guys, this is me signing off for day 1. I will probably give you any further updates at the start of day 2. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, hi guys. It is day 2 of my juice detox, juice cleanse, whatever you want to call it. I'm really late today. It's actually 12:22 and I'm just having my first drink now, which is like really bad. The one that I'm having is the Dare to Detox, and this one has in kale, cucumber, ginger, apple and lemon. I'm gonna try it for you guys as usual. Okay, this one, ginger turn up in it. This one actually tastes like earth, like how I expect green juice to taste. This one is not all that nice, but I mean, it's edible, it's drinkable. It's the freshest in terms of flavor out of all of them. But I definitely taste the greenness, definitely taste the ginger. Also, you guys are probably wondering how I did last night. So after I had my third drink last night, I was pretty okay. I went to my bed early. So I was able to actually go yesterday without having any food, just the 3 drinks alone, and I was fine. I did get up to use the bathroom in the night about 2 times, and because today has been so busy work-wise for me, I think that's why I'm drinking the drink so late, but I really wanted to have it in the morning, but I was just really tied up. And yeah, I made it. I don't feel weak, I don't feel funny or anything like that. Yeah, I feel okay. And if I don't feel okay, I'm going to eat something, because they do say that this is really a cleanse till dinner. You can eat dinner if you want. If you don't want to eat while you're on the cleanse, you don't have to. But yeah, I'm feeling okay, guys. I'm feeling like I can make it throughout the day, but I'll update you guys when I'm drinking my second drink. I'm gonna go and drink this, go on to work, and then I'll check in back with you guys for my second drink. Back again with drink number 2 on day 2. The one I have today is called Refuel. It's called Refuel. This includes oats, banana, protein, and mixed seeds. I'm guessing that's probably like chia, flax, or stuff like that. I don't know exactly. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. I noticed that I haven't been peeing as much today as I was yesterday. I don't know why, but this one is supposed to be like more hearty, I think. It's brown in color like this. Let's try it. This is nice. This one is really thick and it tastes really good. It's really thick. It tastes like, one tastes like a milkshake in a way, but this is really nice. So it's 9:28 and I'm still kind of doing some work, and I'm just now going to have my third drink. It's called Upbeat. It's beetroot, carrot, and ginger. I don't think this one is going to be palatable. I think it's going to taste like very earthy like the first one, but I'm gonna try it for you guys because I'm super tired and this day has just been a super busy day, and I haven't even been able to really be thinking about hunger or whatever, so I feel fine still. So I'm gonna have my last drink now, and then I will check in back with you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day, day 3, so let's try this Upbeat. Terrible. I already know it's gonna taste bad. Terrible. Anyway, people, I'll see you tomorrow on the final day, and yeah, so later, guys. Good morning. It is day 3, the third and final day of my juice cleanse. It is currently 11:06 a.m. and I'm having my first drink of the day, which is called Morning Sunshine. In this drink I have carrot, pineapple, orange, and lemon. Those ingredients don't sound like, you know, an untasty blend, so this should be good. I did get up to pee twice last night and I've been peeing since morning too, but I feel good. I don't feel weak. I don't feel like faintish or like lightheaded or anything like that. I feel very good. So yeah, today's the last day. I'm excited to eat food. You know, I haven't been having the munchies for the past 2 days. So, well, yesterday I didn't have any munchies, and today I don't think I'll have any munchies. The first day was just kind of rough, but I haven't been having the munchies since the first day when I told you guys I was like thinking about all kind of food. So I'm okay. It has been good so far. So I'm gonna try the Morning Sunshine for you guys. It's really orange, so I feel like the carrots are gonna turn up in it. Not really the nicest, to be honest. The carrot is just very potent in there, but I mean, it's drinkable. On the last lap, only 2 more drinks for the day. Yeah, so this is what day 3 now, with no food, just juice, and I'm drinking my water as usual. So I will check in with you when I'm on my second juice for the final day, day 3. So drink number 2 of day 3. It's now 2:32 p.m. and the drink that I am having is called Berry Twist. It has blueberry, strawberry, banana, and mango. Yeah, I just took a nap, feeling very sleepy. But yeah, I feel a little bit hungry, so I was like, you know, let me just have my drink. I had the other one at 11. So I'm gonna have this one now. Wow, my belly is actually really growling. But yeah, I think this one is nice. Can definitely taste the banana. I haven't had one with banana in a little while, so it's good. Definitely really good. You can taste the berry in it. You can taste the banana. Really nice. So I'm gonna drink this one and then we'll almost be finished. Just have one more drink left to go. Previously I told you guys I'd tell you what the benefits of like cleansing are, or not benefits but like some tips, and one of them was to stay hydrated and rested. I've been getting good sleep during this time. Also, it says plan and prepare nutritious meals. That's if you were doing one of their plans where it was just 5 juices, so you have one each day for an entire week. But I'm doing the one where it's basically just juice. You can eat dinner, so you would eat one meal during the time, but I decided to just see if I could go without actually having a meal, and it has been fine for me. It also says no excess sugar, starch, red meat, caffeine, or alcohol. I guess eating that kind of way makes the whole juice cleanse thing a lot more effective. It says keep the exercise light. I have not exercised any at all. I decided to do this cleanse on my off days for working out. And then it also says you can always call the company if you have any issues or any questions. So yeah, I'm also gonna tell you guys some benefits. So those were the tips that they gave. I'm also gonna tell you guys some benefits of doing a juice cleanse based on their post, and I'll talk probably a little bit about them when I'm doing my like final, wrap up video or final wrap up section of this video. I will tell you guys a little bit about my experience and also give a review of the company that I use to get the juices from. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit of the benefits that they had. And so it says weight loss, gut support, removes toxins, helps with glowing skin, mental clarity, reduced bloating, boosting energy, improved eating habits, and deeper sleep. And I guess when I'm completely finished, I'll probably revisit this list and actually state whether or not I feel like I experienced those things during this entire cleanse. So I will see you guys when I'm drinking my last juice. So it's the last drink on day 3. Happy, excited, glad, but also it wasn't bad. So this drink is Tropical Oasis. This one has orange juice, papaya, and mango. So I'm gonna taste this for you guys, and then the next time you see me, it will be the wrap up video. Kind of nice at first, but then the papaya, I don't really like papaya, but I mean, it's okay. So I'll see you guys in the wrap up video. So I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of me going through the juice cleanse for those 3 days. I know you guys don't usually see me just like vlogging on a day-to-day like that, but I wanted to kind of be in the moment and talk to you guys as I was drinking the juices, trying them, talking about how I felt. So the place I actually got the juices from was Choose Health. It's a store in Portmore, like a juicing store in Portmore. You would have seen it in the first clip at the beginning of the video. The service was really good. I actually saw Tanaya Wint do the juice cleanse. I've always wanted to do one, but she was the one, her video was the video that I watched, and I realized that there's somewhere that actually does it all for you. Like, I didn't have to go and make all the juices and get all the measurements, blah blah, for myself. So she actually did a video on it, and I was like, okay, this is a cool place. And the service was very good. It was very easy. I ordered it, and by the next day it was ready. Payment was easy too. But you guys can check them out because I'll leave their link to their Instagram page in the description, so you guys can check them out. Now, I just wanted to just give a final, I guess, overview. I didn't want to give the overview on the last day. I wanted to actually wait a little while before I gave you guys an overview. So it has been about a week now since I've done it. and I just wanted to look back at some of the benefits that they said on their page, what the benefits were of doing a juice cleanse. So I was not doing it for weight loss. I have not really been eating well. Like, my nutrition has not been the best. Yes, I've been exercising, but my nutrition has not been the best. And if you guys are on a fitness journey, you know that nutrition plays a huge part in terms of whether you're trying to gain, whether you're trying to lose, whether different thing. Nutrition plays a huge part in your fitness journey. So one of the benefits that they said was gut support. My stomach definitely felt, I don't know if I can describe this, I don't know, I don't want to say empty. It's not like I was starving, but it definitely felt, I don't know if clean is a word, like it just felt different. So when I was drinking water, when I was drinking the juices, you know, it didn't feel, I didn't feel bloated, I guess. I don't know if that's the word. My stomach didn't feel upset. I didn't feel like I was experiencing indigestion or anything like that. It just did feel clean. I don't know if that makes sense. It says it removes toxins. That was something that I wanted to do the juice cleanse for, because if you've been following up with my fitness journey, realistic fitness journey videos, I do have a playlist. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave the link to the playlist in the description. But if you guys have been following me, you know that my weakness in terms of eating is like snacking. So I've been eating lots of processed foods and a lot of foods with sodium, and that causes you to hold on to like water weight, and you know, a lot of processed foods is just not good for you. So I definitely wanted to remove some toxins from my body. Glowing skin, I mean, I don't know if my skin looks any more glowing than it usually does. I don't usually struggle with a lot of acne. But I mean, I guess my skin looks good. I don't know. Mental clarity, not so much. I wouldn't say that I experienced any mental clarity. Reduced bloating, definitely. I saw the reduction of bloating like very quickly, like on the first day. By the end of the first day, I could definitely tell that my stomach was not as bloated, and I didn't feel as bloated as I usually do. Boosting energy, not so sure about that. Improved eating habits, I would say yes, because as I said, I wanted to kind of wait until a week or so or a few days had passed before I gave it this last wrap up. And I can definitely say, I don't know, I'm satiated a lot easier now. And I also wanted to do this as kind of like a kickstart into me getting back on my eating, in terms of eating more nutritious foods and cutting down on the amount of snacks and sodium and stuff like that I was taking in. So I would definitely say, yeah, I think it definitely helps in terms of your eating. I don't feel like I'm overeating anymore or anything like that. It's supposed to also grant you deeper sleep. I don't know if that's the case. I generally am a very light sleeper. I did, because of the cleanse, have to get up in the night about twice a night to use the restroom because of the cleanse. I don't know if the sleep was any deeper. I didn't really notice that. And finally, it's supposed to help with weight loss. I know you guys probably want to know if I lost weight. If I didn't, I did tell you guys at the start that I was gonna weigh on the first day. So I would have weighed the first morning. That would have been my starting weight, and then I would have weighed the second day of the cleanse in the morning. And when I weighed that second day, I had actually dropped 3 pounds. I figured it was just water weight. And then when I weighed on the third day, I had dropped another 2 pounds. So in total, for all the days that I did juice cleanse, I lost about 5 pounds. I did do the juice cleanse on the days that I don't work out, because you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, you can follow me at Just Devi Marie, that I work out 4 days consecutively and then I rest for 3 days consecutively. So I basically did the cleanse on the 3 days that I wasn't working out. So I knew that I wouldn't have been taking in a lot of calories and all of that. That's what I need when I do my workouts, because I have, I guess, experienced, you know, blacking out and feeling very faint and stuff like that during my workout if I haven't eaten enough. And so I didn't want to chance that, none at all. So I did go ahead and start working out on the day after I finished my cleanse. And on that day when I weighed, because I usually weigh at the start of the week, and on that day when I weighed, the scale was actually 8 pounds lighter. I don't know how, I don't know what happened, but I did end up eating on the third day. So after my third drink, I did end up eating dinner, And the cleanse I should mention that I did was their cleanse till dinner, which is essentially you drink the 3 juices and you have dinner in the evening. So you cleanse in the daytime and I guess overnight in a way, and then you eat dinner for each of the days. But I realized that I could actually go with just drinking the 3 juices alone, so I had no food, none at all. So yeah, I don't know how, but when I weighed that day after, I ended up dropping a total of 8 pounds. So along with the 5 pounds that I had lost on the 3 days of the juice cleanse, the day after when I would have gone back into my workout routine after I worked out and everything, I don't know how, but I did end up dropping another 3 pounds. So I lost 8 pounds, I don't know, and I thought that I would have just gone back up in weight, but I actually didn't. I actually have been maintaining my weight and I'm really happy about that. So I don't know if, you know, the juice cleanse, the results are still working or what, I don't know, but overall people, I'm very happy with the results. It's definitely something that I would do again. I would definitely use Choose Health again to get my juice cleanses from or juice detoxes from. I definitely use them. The customer service was very good. I even had to call them in the middle of the juice cleanse because I wasn't certain of some of the ingredients of some of the juices, and I called them and they're like, sure, no problem, we can tell you what's in them and whatever. So yeah, the customer service was very good. Definitely would recommend 10 out of 10. If this is something that you guys want to do, I would definitely recommend it. Please do be careful though, because remember, you're not taking in a lot of calories, and so therefore if you're not used to fasting or you're not used to going without a meal for an extended time, it might be very difficult for you. For me, I'm very used to fasting. Sometimes my work can be very demanding, and so sometimes I will go the entire day and not eat, not really realize, because I'm just really so busy. So bear that in mind. You might have to eat dinner when you do yours, but I decided from the beginning that I would just try to see if I could go without eating anything. And if I felt a ways, I would definitely eat, but I didn't feel a ways. The first day, as I'm going to say, was kind of rocky. You know, I was really hungry, but after that I was okay. I was even saying to myself I could have probably gone for a 4th day. But in any case, I'm very happy with the results. I think that this is something that I might do like every maybe 6 months or every 3 months or 4 months or something. Not something that I would do regularly, but definitely something that I do again for sure. I know in Jamaica we have this culture of washout. If you don't know what a washout is, it's basically a cleanse. Like parents usually give their children before they go back to school a washout. It basically makes them pass out toxins, you know, number 1 and number 2. Some people even vomit when they do it, but it's like really rigorous. But this was not rigorous. I did not do number 2 more than I usually do, but the number 1s were definitely, yeah, I definitely did a lot of number 1, so I definitely know like things were coming out. So yeah, if you guys have any further questions about the juice cleanse, if I forgot anything, you guys can ask me those questions and I'll respond in the comments. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Debbie Marie. I hope you really enjoyed this new kind of vlog style that I did for this video. If you guys want to see more vlog style videos, let me know. I'm not a professional vlogger. It was very awkward, but I mean, it was still fun, it was still different. I want to remind you guys to check out the previous video on my channel. Also check out my channel playlist. I do have a realistic fitness journey playlist that you guys can check out to kind of catch up with me and see what has been happening throughout the years that I've been on my fitness journey. I want to also remind you guys to like this video if you haven't. If you are watching, leave some kind of juice in the comments to let me know that you are rocking with me. And also remember to check out my other channel called Yardments. All links will be in the description. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.